statement. So the discuss the fund flow statement. This is point is clear. And next point is a cash flow statement. First one is the subject advanced financial management, and we need first financial planning and shareholder. After that topic second cash flow statement. Topic first fund flow statement. Fund flow statement is already over, and topic cash flow statement. So the cash flow statement means, so the first one external investment source. Cash flow statement means external investment source, and cash flow statement is a very impossible financial statement. Next, what is a cash flow statement? Cash flow statement are three key for cash flow statement. First one is operating activity, second one investment activity. First one operating activity, second one activity, second one investing activity, investing activity, and last one financing activity. Financing activity. First one operating activity, second one investing activity, and third one financing activity. This is the element of for cash flow statement. Three sections of statement. Three section means first one operating activity, second one investing activity, and third one financing activity. How to prepare the cash flow statement? First one indirect. Cash flow statement already discussed the two methods. First one indirect method and second one direct method. And preparing indirect method. This is a pro forma of indirect method. Indirect methods. And first one operating activity. This is a show the operating activity. Cash flow from operating activity is derived under two stage. This is a operating activity is a two stage derived under this two stage. First one calculating the operating activity before changing working capital. First one calculate the operating activity profit before changing working capital, and next one the effect of changing working capital. The effect of changing working capital. This is the operating activity. This is two stage. First one is calculate operating profit before changing working capital. Calculate operating profit before changing working capital. And second one, the effect of changing working capital. This is the operating activity. And next one is investing activity. So the investing activity. This is the next lecture. First one operating activity. This is the first point. Operating profit before changing working capital. This is the first pro forma. Operating profit before changing working capital. So the changing working capital. Operating profit before changing working capital. So the first one is net profit. This is a not particular. This is not particular. This is the net profit. Net profit. Profit before tax and extraordinary item. And extraordinary item. This is a column rupees and this is the rupees. Okay. First one add. This is the point. Non-cash and non-operating item. This is the add non-cash, and non-operating item. debited to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account. And next one is depreciations. This next one is depreciations. Show the depreciations. Depreciation. Show the depreciations. Which is our depreciations? Amortizations of intangible asset. Amortizations of intangible asset. Amortizations of intangible asset. And next one is loss on sale of fixed asset. Fixed asset loss. Sale on fixed asset. Loss on sale. Loss on sale. Loss on sale of fixed asset. Which is a fixed asset of fixed asset. Loss on sale of fixed asset. Which is a fixed asset. For example, land and building, plant and machinery. This is a fixed asset example. And next one is loss on the sale of long-term investment. Loss on sale of long-term investment. Loss on sale of long-term investment. Long-term investment means doing the 5-year investment. This is a long-term investment. Show the long-term investment this side. Okay. And next one is provision for tax. Provision for tax. Provision for tax. Provision for tax. And last one, dividend paid. Dividend paid. Show the add non-cash. Show the add. Which is have item add item non-cash and non-operating item which is have already debited to profit and loss account. This is the depreciation. Depreciation here it is amount. And next one is amortizations of intangible asset. Amortizations of intangible asset means intangible asset is decreased. Show the amortizations of intangible asset. This is column is amount. And next one is loss on sale of fixed asset is equal to amount, this column rupees. And next one is loss on sale of long-term investment. Long-term investment means that the 5-year doing investment. This is a long-term investment. This is column is amount. And next one is provision for tax. This is the amount is this column. And next one is dividend paid. This column is amount. This is the add. This item is add. And this total is this final column amount this rupees. And next one is less. Show the less. Which is our less item? Show the less. Non-cash and non-operating item which is already been credited to profit and loss account. Less non-cash and non-operating. Non-cash being credited to profit and loss account, non-cash and non-operating item which have already been credited to profit and loss account. Show the non-cash and non-operating item. Profit and loss account credited. Show the which is our item profit non-cash and non-operating item. Show the next profit on sale on. Show the next profit on sale on. Profit on sale of fixed asset. Profit on sale of fixed asset. Fixed asset. This is a non-cash and non-operating item. Profit on sale of fixed asset. And next one is profit on sale of long-term investment. Profit on sale of long-term investment. Profit on sale of long-term investment. This column is amount and this is the total is this column. Okay, and next one is operating profit before working capital changes. Operating profit before working capital changes. Before working capital changes, this column. Means show the operating profit before changing working capital. This is a net profit before tax. Before tax and extraordinary item. Add non-cash and non-operating item which have already debited profit and loss account. Show the non-cash and non-operating item. So the first one is depreciation. This column amount. Next one amortizations of intangible asset. And next one loss on sale of fixed asset. And next one loss on sale of long-term assets, long-term investment. This column amount. And next one provision for taxation. This column amount. And next one dividend paid. This column amount is equal to this column amount. And next one less non-cash and non-operating item which have already been credited to profit and loss account. Show the first one profit on sale of fixed asset. This column amount. And profit on sale of long-term asset, long-term investment. This column amount. And this total is this column. And this total minus this total is equal to this total. And last one is operating profit before working capital changes. This amount is operating profit before working capital changes. This is a pro forma of operating profit before changing working capital, means operating activity. This first point is operating profit before changing working capital. This is a cash flow statement. Step first. Thank you all of you and thank you for everyone.